Hi guys! So I'm a little under the weather, as you can probably hear my voice, and I don't quite have my eyebrows on, but we're gonna ignore that because I'm having like a pretty good skin day. I thought I would take you guys, we're not really furniture shopping. I'm looking for a very specific item. Well, I got a gift card to HomeGoods, and what I really want is a new vanity chair. The one that I currently have is from IKEA, and it's just like the standard one, and it's really uncomfortable, and I want to get a new one. So I thought we would go to HomeGoods and see. What they've got. So yeah, I've been meaning to get a new chair for a while, and I actually just haven't done it. So I thought, why not? So yeah, little vlog shopping furniture kind of. Gentlemen, we have reached our destination, HomeGoods. If you haven't heard of HomeGoods, it's just a really cool place to get great savings on like furniture and home stuff. Obviously that's what it's called. The only bad thing about HomeGoods is that if you find something, you better get it right away because it will not be there the next time you come. So here is HomeGoods. They've got, like I said, lots of furniture stuff. These would be so cool for bar stools. And it looks like they've got a lot of the spring stuff coming. So what I'm looking for is, I don't know, I was thinking of getting something like this, but you know, it is for my makeup vanity and that might be an issue. But look at these pillows, look at how pretty these are. Like a really pretty mauve color. Like if you had a rose gold feel going on in your room, those pillows would be it right there. Alright, so they have furniture all throughout the store, which is really cool, so you can just kind of wander around. And they've got really great lighting pieces as well, which reminds me that I kind of need a new lamp. If you wanted to like have that like chrome kind of feel in your house, $100, and it's huge. It's like literally as tall as me. Big old picture of a llama. Is it a llama or alpaca? I don't know, but I like his face. Look at him. He's giving such side eye. We've even got rugs, by the way. If you're looking for anything from a small rug like that to a giant rug like that. Look at how big these rugs are. Like, look at that one right there. I'm not finding what I'm looking for. These are pretty. These are really pretty. Not finding what I'm... Ooh! Imagine if you had the space to put this in your house. This is insane! It's huge. Look at me in the reflection of that. Look at how far away I have to step back just so you see all of it. That is really cool though. Like, for Christmas, like if you had a big enough lawn to put this on. Perspective. That's how big that is. Oh look, they've even got like these beanbag chairs, but like the furry kind. These are $100, and this is huge. Look at how big it is. Ugh. Look at how big that thing is. $100. This is huge. So, big old beanbag chair. Huge, like you literally could just nap in this right here. Oh! Drops my phone. Thank goodness it was on the chair. Yeah, this is nice. I like this, but this isn't what I need. By the way, not that I think anybody was wondering, but they do have other colors. And these are two. This is one big one right here, and there's another one down there. This is cute too, but I need something tall. I need a big, not a big chair. I was gonna get like an office chair, but I don't think I have the space for that. And endless supply. Oh, look at that one. This is only $60. It's a little stool though, so it's not like tall enough or nearly what I'm looking for because I need something with a back. Not a super high back though. But look at these mirrors. Literally, HomeGoods has got you covered. Even if you just need accent mirrors, huge mirrors, small mirrors, paintings, stuff to hang in your house. And they always got these really cute little like canvasy things where you can like pin your pictures. This one says I love you to the moon and back. Just doesn't really fit my aesthetic, but Amber Shoalward doesn't fit my aesthetic in my house. But yeah, we're going to journey around HomeGoods and see if I find a chair. Okay, so any kind of portrait style stuff that you want to do, like whether it's traditional portrait, like this is like a shadow box, so like you see how it has the step in here, that's what that's called. And then, or if you want to like just clip yours right there, or they've got these where you can clip them on here. This is getting like really popular, I think. So, oh, that one's pretty. It says be thankful for the little things. This is cute. They've got pillows, by the way. They've got towels. They've got bathroom stuff. So everything's nice and divided by like, basically, you know, where in your house it's supposed to go between the kitchen, the bathroom, all of that stuff. And then they got different themes going on. So if your theme in your bathroom is like ocean or like beach or anything like that, that's your section right there. If you like the mostly white and chromes, this is your section here. And for anybody that's looking to have a little bit of color or a little bit of ornateness to their home, so like gold stuff, that's you right there. And they've even got like the more rustic-y feel kind of stuff, that's you right there. So HomeGoods is really great because you can find a bunch of stuff, and they have clearance sections in every single section. So for kitchen they have clearance, for bathroom they have clearance. So it's really cool. And I actually need something like this, like a little jar to put like my cotton swabs and all that stuff. Oh, this is pretty. Little dish soap. Oh, it's only $4. It's like the most beautiful rose gold. This is so pretty, but I don't use like that kind of soap, so just gonna continue on looking. We're getting distracted now, but it's okay. And they've even got like body washes and body soaps, and they've got a big old clearance of it. And if you've ever thought, where does everybody get those acrylic containers? Yes, you can get them at TJ Maxx, because TJ Maxx and HomeGoods are essentially the same company, but you can also get them here. And look at all the different styles that they come in. So if you've ever seen those like, oh, so pretty vanities with all these little acrylic organizers, you can get them right here. Like this one right here, it's actually 4 little bins, and this one is $6.99, which is honestly a steal because I bought a lot of mine at the Container Store and they were like really pricey. And they've even got these, so it comes like that. So this one has 2 drawers. It has 4 top containers, or 5, and then a top part as well. I actually don't need any more of these. I'm just telling myself that because if I don't, I will get more, and that just gives me more of an excuse to buy more makeup, honestly. Ooh, this one's pretty. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Like for brushes and stuff. This is $12.99. This is really pretty. Oh, I like these. Okay, that one might have to come with me. Okay, I'm just gonna, and I do this a lot. You guys will probably notice in my vlogs, if you guys like this vlog style, I will continue to do them, but you'll notice that I pick stuff up and sometimes I don't take them with me for one reason or another. Oh, these are so cute. Somebody got one of these for my boss and I thought it was such a cute idea. Oh, I didn't realize I was zoomed in this whole time, but these are so cute. Look, they have Boss Lady. This one's marble and rose gold, which I absolutely love because this is totally me right here. Marble and rose gold. And then they have a marble and gold one, and the lettering is a little bit different on this one. That's cute. By the way, office stuff makes great storage for makeup stuff, if you didn't know. Okay? And if you do have a little theme going on to your office, we've got teal section, black and white section and pink section. So whatever your little heart desires, like that sparkly basket right there. Oh, I love that. It says squad. It's a neon light that says squad on it. I kind of love that. Actually, it is $40. I like it. I don't like it that much. Oh, look at more acrylic stuff. More little acrylic containers. They even have that clearly chic kind, which I think that's what a lot of people have. This one's cute. Look, if you know somebody whose name starts with a C, it has a little gold mirror plate with the C on it. I like this one. It says #girlboss. No coffee, no worky. Oh, I love that. That's cute. I don't drink coffee, but for the coffee lover in your life, I think that's cute. I really want to get these hangers, but I really want black and gold ones. I've never seen them before, so I know I'm asking for a tall order. So yeah, if you've seen these velvet hangers, they actually do save you a ton of space as far as your clothes is concerned, and they don't crease your clothes, especially jackets and stuff like that. And this is $10 for a pack of 25. Good deal. Oh, it is. I see everybody coming up on these, and I always I'm like, where are you going that you're finding these? Because I never find them. This is a little Impressions vanity mirror, and if you hit the middle here, it will like light up, but it doesn't have the batteries. Oh, it's not on, that's why. And it probably doesn't have the batteries in it. It doesn't have a price on it, but it's really cute, and it's pink, and this is great, by the way, if you want to like travel, especially hotel rooms that have crappy mirrors. It's pretty good. It's about the size of my hand. It's a pretty good mirror to take with you. When you say that you've never seen something, and of course this would be the moment that I find it. Oh, black and rose gold. Wow. Okay, so 2 seconds ago, literally 2 seconds ago, I was saying how I had not seen these mirrors, these hangers ever in black and gold. Black and rose gold. Black and rose gold. Well, I have to take these because I've never seen these in. Oh, okay, we're gonna move this way. The black hangers were a mood, they were a feel, but there's beige and rose gold, and this is a pack of 35 for $6 more. It's gonna have to be the black and rose gold. These are the ones. You're coming with me, buddies. Oh, by the way, this is something like what I was looking for, but again, I need a backing. Actually, do I really need a backing? I mean, it's for film. So I'm looking for this chair for filming, and that's the only reason that I want a backing, is just so I have like something to lean against, because sometimes I film one video, sometimes I film 3 videos in a day. This one goes really high up, which I like, because that's one of the problems that I've had with the other ones, is that they don't go as high up. It goes really low, so I know this will fit underneath my desk, and at least this way it would be cute, but like there wouldn't be as much of a chance of it getting dirty as there is with the ones with the back. But I really want one with a back. I know like standing or sitting up like this is gonna get really tiresome. At least we found the hangers though. I call that a win. I gotta stop telling you guys what I'm looking for, because I think I found my chair. Well, let's sit in it. Let's see how I feel. So this is the chair, gold legs, and it's like a fake leather, but it's really pretty with a back. The only thing is that every once in a while I do my friend's hair, my mom's hair, and I think the back might be a little too high. It's only $100 too, which is like awesome because that's in my price range. This is gonna look a little weird, but I have to try this on marble. It is white, so, but of course it's gonna be white. I mean, this is kind of what I was looking for anyways. It goes up a little, not as high as the stool one, but it does go up. And that's kind of important for me because I'm short and I like to feel less short. So I think I like this. And it spins, and it feels definitely a lot more comfortable than the chair I have, and I can lean against it, which is nice. And I think this might be my chair, guys. Need this, but I want this. This is a rose gold trash can. I love it. I want this. I literally want this. My kitchen's not even rose gold. So boys and girls, HomeGoods was one of the stores that I visited quite frequently when I moved out on my own. The reason for that is that I had a look and I had a concept in mind for what I wanted in my house, and HomeGoods has a lot of clearance items for pots and pans. If anybody here has moved out on their own, you know that that stuff can get expensive, and you don't realize how little you have until you move out, and then you're like, I don't even have a fork to my name. So because of that, HomeGoods was one of my favorite places because they have tons of sales and tons of great stuff on clearance, and very pretty stuff, very good quality stuff. So yeah, only thing I will say is don't get wrapped up. If you're not a baker, don't go buy a bunch of baking pans. If you're not a baker, if you're not much of somebody who cooks, then don't buy a whole lot of stuff. Just buy the necessary stuff: forks, knives, a dish rack, a couple of plates, and call it a day. Okay? Don't get lost in here and end up spending way more than you need to. Speaking of decor for your house, HomeGoods has tons of pillows, and just like everything else, it is super organized according to what color scheme you want: gold, silver, blue, orange, red, pink. According to whatever color your little heart desires, they've got a little something for everybody. So it's really, really cool. If you need to buy some throws for your couch, your bed, pillows, anything like that, they've got something to cover you. So I ended up not taking the chair because I have a bad habit of falling in love with things and then making spontaneous purchases and then later regretting them. So I'm going to put more thought into my chair, make sure that that is truly the one that I want. And like I always say, if you go to bed and you can't stop thinking about it, then you probably really want it. So I'm gonna give myself a little bit of time to think, but I'm gonna take these hangers because these hangers are a deal. So I did end up buying the hangers. So thank you guys again for watching this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know, and I'll be sure to upload a more come with me vlog style footage like that. I kind of want to incorporate that into my YouTube channel, as well as keep doing the beauty stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.